Hello, my name is Carrie Lee, and welcome to my brand new channel called LFP Farm Life. I just wanted to take a second and introduce you to what I'm hoping that this channel is going to be, which is a lifestyle type of channel that is a little bit of a daily life kind of sort of thing that is going to have a lot of different focuses, rather than just one specific type of thing. There's going to be a little bit about our horses. There's going to be a little bit about cooking and preservation and cleaning and, a little bit of like everything. The farmstead itself at this point in time pretty much focuses mostly around our Arabian horses, which are Ace, our Arabian stallion, his girls, which are Libby, her daughter Bunkin, Charlie, and then our gelding Anza, and then of course our rescue puppy dog Buster. And then in addition to our ponies, we plan on, or I shouldn't say we, I plan on doing some things of, cooking and preservation and meal planning and, cleaning and tips and tricks and, household type things and that sort of jazz. And then also our first few videos are going to be a bit out of order. Unfortunately, I had injured my leg earlier this year, and, I did some physical therapy, kind of getting sorted, hoping that would, maybe prevent a surgery. And unfortunately, it did not. And I'm about 2-3 weeks post-op at this point in time. Unfortunately, my surgeon had said, oh yeah, you're going to be back riding in, 5-6 weeks. Doesn't look like that's going to be quite the case. So, we're back in physical therapy. Hopefully that will, get everything rolling. This channel isn't going to be, real polished videos, and it's going to be quite, real life. Things are going to be, more focusing on both the achievements and, the failures. We're not going to, edit out the oopses. Things are as things are, and it's a, working farm, and, it's not just going to be all the polished, achievements. The failures are going to be right out on display as well. What I really regret not doing is, documenting from day one when we purchased the farm. I think that would have really been, fun, and I really wish I would have done that. Maybe I can find some pictures and that sort of thing, because I didn't have like a phone or anything to video from, when I really first started. I had my iPad, but, I didn't take that down to the barn or anything. Like when I had Buttercup and the pigs, I would take like a quick video, like when I first got the pigs, or when I first got Buttercup, I took a lot of like pictures and that sort of thing. So, I put together a little bit of that and, share with you and that kind of thing. But, I hope that you guys will come along on this journey with me, and, we can build a community together. And I'd really like to get some feedback from you guys, and we can enjoy some time together, and just have like a little bit of a place where we can communicate and build, and just have a little community and get together and just have some fun on this great big world called the internet, and just have a fun space. So, I appreciate your time. I hope you're subscribed to the channel and like the videos, and, just comment and give some tips and tricks and some hints, and, just let's build something together. Thank you very much, and enjoy your evening.